Hello everyone. Welcome. Today it's actually not a Monday, but Tuesday. Tuesday, July the 6th, 2021. And I've told you earlier in today's newspaper there is no additional, only one medium Sudoku. So I've decided to solve the other three puzzles in yesterday's newspaper. There are three puzzles left in additional: a letter Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars, and a tectonic with a 1 star. And the first Sudoku is a letter Sudoku. And this will be number 3055. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed letters. Alright. So let's get started. Let me see. The letters are the R, the A, the L, the B, the D, the O, the U, the E, the V. Yes. Alright, we have a V in this column, V in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the V should be there. V in this row, V in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the V should be there. V in this column, third column, V in the second column. So in the first column, the column next, the only two places for the V should be here or there. We see there V, no V there, V should be there. Alright. Now I cannot continue with the V. Let me see for another letter. How about for three missing letters in this row? One of the missing letter is a R. We see here R in this big square, so no R in this box. There no R in that box. So one box left for the R. Should be here. Alright. Alright. Then. Two letters are missing, the A and the U. The A and the U. We have a U here, no U there. U should be here. And the A goes in there. Alright. Alright. Okay. Three missing letters in this column. The goal is to find the word in this column. One of the missing letter is the R. We see here an R in this big square, so no R in this box. Here also an R in this row, so no R in that box. So one box left for the R should be here. In this row or in the row below. So in the last row, the only three places for the R should be here or there. We see there are no R there, here no R there. The only place for the R should be there. Alright. Alright. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, we have a L in this row. L in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the L should be there. Four missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the B. We see here B, no B in these two boxes. So the B could be here or there. We see there another B, so no B there. The only place for the B should be there. A O A O A O A and E. Yeah, E. We have an E in this column, E in the middle column. So in that column, the only place for the E should be there. Two letters are missing in this big square. The A is missing and the O is missing. A and the O. We see here an A, no A there. A should be here and the O goes there. One letter is missing in this column for the letter O. So now we have the word, the boulevard. Boulevard. You know what boulevard is? No. Yes, of course. Boulevard on the beach. Yes. We have solved this, but it's, of course, it's nice to solve the whole puzzle. All right, let me continue. A in this row, A in that row. So the row between and the middle row, the only place for the A should be there. Then. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Two letters are missing in the middle column. For the letters B and the D, I think. Yeah, B and the D. Let me mark those. B and the D. Oh, D. B and the D. The other two letters in this big square, O and the U. O and the U. We have a U there, no U there. Only place for the U should be there. One box left in this big square for the letter O. Two letters are missing. Oh no. Yeah. We have the B, the D, and the L. B, D, and the L. Well, we have a B here in this big square, so no B in these two boxes. So one box left for the B should be there. D should be here. All right. So now two letters are missing, the L and the D. The L and the D. Let me mark those two boxes. The other two letters in this big square should be the O. And the O and the R. Yeah, O and R. O-R. Or. Alright. Let me see. V B B Hmm. Interesting. Interesting. A. Three missing letters. The A is missing. The V is missing. And the U is missing. Well, we have the A here and the V there in this column. So no A and a V in this box. The A and the V goes in those two boxes. We see there V, the A and the V. Yes, the A and the V we have in this column. So no A and a V in this box. The A and the V goes in those two boxes as a pair. We see here V, so no V there. V should be here and the A goes there. One box left in this last row. For the U, yeah, the U is missing. U. Alright. So we have a no. B, the L, yeah. B, L, and a E. Yes, three missing letters in this big square. The B is missing, the L is missing, and the E is missing. B, L, E. Well, we have a B and a L in this column, so no B and L in this box. The B and L goes in those two boxes as a pair. B and L. So one box left in this big square for the E. Alright. The O, the A, the O, and the U, A, and yeah. Three missing letters in this column. Those missing letters are the A is missing, the U is missing, and the O is missing. A, U, O. We have an A and a U in this row. So no A and a U in this box. The A and the U goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one box left in this column for the letter O. Alright, O in the third row, O in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the O should be there. Now we have O there, so this box can't be O anymore. That box should be an O. And this box should be an R. We have an O in the first column, O in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the O should be there. O in the last row, O in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the O should be here or there. We see there, no O there. O should be there. And all the O's are used, I can see. Yes. The two letters are missing in this row for the letters D and the letter D. No. The D and the D and the R. No, R we have. The D and the E. Yeah. The D and the E. The D and the E. D and the E. Look, we have a D here. No D there. D should be here. And the E goes there. The E. Okay. Two letters are missing in this big square for the letters D and the A. D and A. We have an A there. No A there. A should be here and the D goes there. Now we have a D there, so this box can't be a D anymore. That box should be a D and this box should be an L. One box left in the first column For the letter U. Yes, the U. Now we have a U there, so this box can't be U anymore. That box should be a U. And this box should be an A. Alright. We have an A in the third row, A in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the A should be there. E. Yeah. Two letters are missing in the first row. For the letters L and the E, L and E. Let me mark those two boxes. I cannot fill this yet. So we have an E in one of those two boxes in the first row, E in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the E should be here or there. We see there an E, no E there, E should be there. Two missing numbers in this letters missing in this big square for the letters L and the D. L and the D, I cannot fill this yet. L and the D, L, D. Alright. Here also two letters are missing in this big square for the letters E and the U. E and the U, we have a U there, no U there. U should be there. And the E goes there. Now we have an E there. So this box can be an E anymore. That box should be an E. And this box should be an L. Okay, now we have an L there. So this box can't be an L anymore. That box should be an L. And this box should be a B. So we have a B in this column, B in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the B should be there. B in the first row, B in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the B should be there. Two missing letters, the L and the D. We have an L there, no L there. L should be here. And the D goes in there. One missing letter in this big square for letter D. Okay. One missing letter in this big square for the letter V. Alright. And the last two letters in this big square for the letters L and the R. L and R. We have an R there, so no R there. R should be there. And the L should be here. Alright, finish in 18 minutes. Wow. Yeah, a little bit slower than a one-star Sudoku. One-star Sudoku has 27 printed digits. But I'm pleased with the time, because with the letter Sudoku, I cannot do a double check. Because if I have numbers, I can count the numbers, and here the letters, I can only use the letters printed, the printed letters, yes. So here I have no verification. Alright, but I'm pleased with the time. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.